So this is a quick disclaimer. The video that you are about to see after this, please excuse my nails and please excuse my lashes. It was the end of the day and my lashes were hanging on for dear life, which I should have checked before I recorded the video, but I didn't want to do it over again. So yeah, just ignore it. Thank you. Bye. Welcome back to the channel. So today I am collabing with TTDeye. They sent me some contacts. It's the contacts I'm wearing now. I don't know if you guys can tell. They're brown and green. But I love their packaging. First of all, it's holographic. Let me show you the box. Hold on. It's holographic. And excuse my nails, guys, because I got an appointment next week. So please excuse my nails. And they have directions on the back. So what you get in the box, you get your contacts. These are prescription contact lenses. See how beautiful it is? TTDeye. And I'm blind as a bat, y'all, so my prescription is -6.50. So yeah, I'm very blind. I can see now though, thanks to TTDeye. Get you some. I have a coupon code. The coupon code is colored. Get you 10% off. And it comes with this case. Very cute case. And on the inside of this case, you have, so everyone knows I like long nails. So I always have issues putting in my contacts because I always poke myself in the eye. And that's not cute. That's not cute at all, you know. So you have tweezers to take out your contacts. Focus, camera. Stop focusing on me. Stop focusing on me. Y'all get the point. Okay, there we go. Thank you. And this is how you put your contacts in. Come on. Here we go. That's how you put your contacts in. That piece right here is how you put your contacts in. They have the name on the front. Come on. Focus. There we go. TTDeye. And it's TTDeye stands for the third eye. So yeah. And it also came with this. It's so cute. I don't really know what the purpose of it was, but it's cute and I like it. So I'm going to put it on my desk. It's very cute. It came with tattoos. I'm giving these to my nieces. They will love these. Came with a thank you card. Thank you card. And it says vintage olive green pan. And on the inside has a place where you can write, I guess, or where they can write, or whatever. Last but not least, It also comes with a mirror. Really, really beautiful mirror. Comes with the mirror. Well, yeah, their logo is on the front also. Focus, not on me, camera, not on me. Thank you. And this is the inside of the box. So pretty. So freaking pretty. Let me put everything back in here so I can show you guys how it arrived. And how your package will look when it arrives. And again, I have a coupon code. The coupon code is colored. You get 10% off your order. This is how it came. But yeah, I'm gonna be including some pictures so you guys can see like how they look in the daylight, how they look when the sun is down, how they look at nighttime, all of that. I'm going to include all of that. And when you go to their website, which is on the box, it is TTDeye.com. They have the cutest things on their website. They have lashes, they have makeup, tattoos. What else do they have? They have all types of contact lens cases that you can put your contacts in. I'll include everything down in the link below. Let me show you some more though. I slayed my makeup though, y'all, for real. And y'all know I can't do makeup, but I slayed this. I think I did good.
You say it's champagne.
I did the damn thing.
Dirty Diana.
Yeah. Drop on the low, yeah. Fuck us me. Gonna take it to my peak. 200.
Thank you guys for watching. Bye.
Hey, that probably take her.
At 13, you got the kids. At 13, the name.